Welcome to Allison and Marisha. Today we're going to make rock candy. Yum! These are the required materials. Clothespins, a plate, food coloring popsicle sticks, jars, 5 cups of sugar, 2 cups of water, a wooden spoon, a pot, and you need an adult for this one. First, you're going to put the lollipop stick in the water and leave about an inch on the popsicle stick. Then, you're going to put the popsicle stick and roll it into the sugar. That's the way it'll help the sugar crystal form. Here they are. This is where you need it to bring 2 cups of water to boil. First, after it boils, you have to put a cup of sugar and stir it constantly. Add 1 cup of sugar at a time until the sugar completely dissolves. Next, let it cool for 20 minutes. Next, we're going to put 2 drops of food coloring in the jars to make different color rock candy. Next, you're going to have a grown-up pour the sugar waters into the glass jars. Look at all the different colors. I'm excited. Next, you're going to put them in the jar and make sure you leave an inch from the bottom. Next, you're going to put them in a cool place. You might want to put a towel over them so they don't get anything in them like a fly. Next, you're going to wait 3 or 4 days to make the sugar crystals crystallize. This is what it looks like after the sugar crystals form after 3 days. Now they have formed and you put them into an empty cup to dry. They're all dry. We're going to take our first bite. Mmm. I love it.
Was this a fun project, kids?
Yeah. Thank you for watching Allison and Marisha. Hope you enjoyed our video. Hit the thumbs up and hit the subscribe button if you liked our show. Bye. Bye.